Okay, so today we're going to be replacing an old Toshiba system with a new Vertical SBX. This is a system that will be installed. It was pre-programmed at the office, and basically it's a very easy installation that should take about 2 hours. And we will show you the steps that we take in order to do that. The old Toshiba has the wiring already. Obviously the wiring is in place. And there is the control unit, which is right here. There is the door box control, which is built into the Vertical system. It's part of the system as a digital port. And then the wiring that is here is, it looks like a mess, spaghetti wires, but we're really not going to touch it. We're going to leave it as is and connect it to cables that are coming out from this mess. I'm just showing it to you. So we're going to proceed and show you how we do this. The first thing to do is to take the cover off so we can remove the box from the wall. So just give me a couple of seconds. So now with the cover open, we have an amphenol, which we're going to be reusing, a second amphenol, which is right here, and the dial tone is connected with these cables, which we will connect them as well. So it's going to be a very easy swap, just using these cables and connecting them to the new system. So I'm going to remove the power cable so we can take the box off the wall. And we have the ability now to disconnect. Okay, now we have to take the control unit off the wall, which will be removing the screws. Okay, so here is the control unit. This is the Vertical SBX IP. You can flip here on the side and you see the 8 station connectors that come default, 3 CO lines, music on hold, and external paging, network connection, and room for expansion board right on the top with 3 more COs and 8 more digital stations. Now with that said, we have to use a template that will use these holes, the 3 holes that are built in to mount this KSU on the wall. When you do that, you have to use this template, allowing future growth of it if you need it for installing the expansion cabinet. We are going to install it without worries of expansion cabinet, as it replaces an old system in a church. And we're going to use these screws, leaving ourselves a little room for the connectivity. And we're going to put the template on the wall, put the screws in, and go from there. Okay, so now we have the mounting screws located in the right spot. We're going to just slide it over. And we're done mounting the KSU. So when you purchase our adapter specifically made for your system, you're going to be getting one of these blocks that I just mounted with 2 screws to the wall. It will have a matching cable that all you have to do is plug one to the other. By doing that, you have connected all the old station cables onto this block. This block also has 12 modular jacks on it, which 8 of them are the stations and 4 of them are for the lines. In this case, we're just going to use the stations and the lines will go direct because it's not really required. So I need a few new mounting cords. I'm gonna get it, and we're gonna make it work. The system is mounted. I added the specific Toshiba adapter. We have other adapters for other systems. It is connected directly to the original cable. I just opened it up to show you that the same mess is here as it was before. So all we're gonna do is cover it up right now. The way it was is the way, this was just to illustrate to you. Basically, we're reusing all the wiring. All I have to do right now is put a few tie wraps and make it neat. Everything else is connected. It's just that the wires from each station get plugged in. They are plugged in right to the ports of the vertical system. That is it. I have to get myself a few tie wraps and we'll continue. Okay, so now comes the fun part where you take your phone. It comes in from Telco Depot, already marked what extension number. Open it up, take it out. When you purchase a system like this and you purchase the pre-programming option, all the buttons will come in designated for, completely programmed and designated for use. So it's very easy to go out and just unplug the old Toshiba phone and plug in the new, vertical phone. That was hard, locating the wire. So I'll just plug it in and put the wire through the loop, and here we are. Voila, phone is working. So obviously I can take the speaker, take a line, make a call. Okay, so right now we're going to connect the door box that goes on the vertical system. It is connected as a station and does not require a door box card like the Toshiba did. And basically you switch the pairs and it will work. That's it.